Welcome to Rescheck.info and the Rescheck Expert blog, the web's #1 blog and resource on Reschecks, manual J heat loss, green homes, insulation, building components, and energy efficiency. Today we want to talk to you about Rescheck Instructions. If you want to read this article, just head on over to www.rescheck.info. If you'd like me to read it to you, just stay right here. Today on the Rescheck Expert blog, we want to assist you with some simple Rescheck instructions. The building department has told you you must have a Rescheck report, and now it's up to you to make it happen. We will give you some basic steps to get your Rescheck created today. We will provide you with simple steps we use on every Rescheck we create to help you create your own. The first thing you need is a full-size set of plans and a quiet place to work. In some instances, clients do not have actual plans, and in this instance, a hand-drawn plan or high-quality picture of your construction blueprint pages will suffice. Now, you want to spread out your plans in a nice, quiet, well-lit place so you've got room to operate. The initial information you need from your plans is a great way to get your project started on the right foot. You need to know your building code, job site address, type of construction, and other details like the name of your builder and your architect. Write all this down and move on to the next step. Your next step is to look at the structure. Start at the top, find your ceiling square footage and insulation values. Fortunately, now you might find that this information causes you to have to do a little searching through your plans. Write all this information down and then move on to your walls. You want to separate this info into your east, west, north, and south walls. Write down the square footage of each along with their respective R value. Next, measure the windows and doors for each wall. Write those down as well. Now, you're down to your foundation. What type of foundation are you Reschecking? Is it a slab, crawl, basement, or subfloor? Find the square footage of the component, or if it's just a slab, measure the perimeter. Write this information for your Rescheck down alongside the R value of each component. Now, it's time to choose your software. Your two options for creating your Rescheck are Rescheck Web and Rescheck Desktop. Rescheck Web is probably the best choice for a few reasons. It's constantly updated, you can update your project anywhere there's an internet connection, and you can share a Rescheck online project among team members seamlessly. If your internet connection is spotty at times, then you might consider the Rescheck Desktop download version that will be installed on your computer, and you can access that from anywhere. Both Rescheck Desktop and Rescheck Web go through the same flow we just described. Take the information you have collected and enter it into the software bit by bit. Once you're done, click Save, then click Print to generate the report you need for permitting. How long can you expect your Rescheck to take? People we train to create their own Reschecks for the first time generally need about 10 to 12 hours to create a report from scratch by themselves for the first time. We at Rescheck.info offer a Rescheck service that we can complete all the above steps for you. The typical lead time for our Rescheck professionals is about 4 to 6 hours. So whether you're creating the Rescheck yourself or hiring Rescheck.info to create it for you, make sure you leave yourself enough time to create your Rescheck. If you work through all the steps and still find yourself needing help on a Rescheck, we offer a low-cost way to get the Rescheck created quickly. Simply email your plans and a job site address to service@rescheck.info. We'll apply all the above Rescheck instructions to your project. When your Rescheck is ready, we'll send you a project recap and invoice. We only charge $79 to cover the cost of printing your plans, paying our Rescheck professional, and creating your Rescheck. Give us a try at creating your Reschecker Manual J today. Thanks for listening to the Rescheck Expert blog. If you're ready to get started, go to the upper left-hand side of your screen. Click Buy Now. Go down. Click Buy Now one more time. You're ready to go. Thanks again for listening to the Rescheck Expert blog, and best of luck with your Rescheck and Manual J.